Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a Copilot subscription and the latest Vscode. Sign into GitHub inside Vscode using the account menu so tokens flow securely. Once signed in, open extensions and search for GitHub Copilot. Click Install. Make sure you accept permission prompts so Vscode can access your GitHub account. This first push gets authentication and extension code onto your machine, which is why you don't skip signing in now. Once the extension is installed, you authorize Copilot explicitly. Open the command palette and run Copilot. Sign in. You will be redirected to GitHub to pick your account or organization. Approve the OAuth scopes so Vscode can request suggestions. After authorization, return to Vscode and adjust Copilot settings, enable inline suggestions, and set language preferences, because tailored settings reduce noise and improve relevance. Make sure to restart Vscode if prompts tell you to finalize permissions and extension hooks. You finish by validating Copilot. Open a supported file, type an intent comment, and accept a completion to confirm behavior. If suggestions don't appear, open View Right Arrow Output and choose GitHub Copilot to read logs. Use Help Right Arrow Toggle Developer Tools for network errors. Once logged, reload the window to clear transient issues. If problems persist, check proxy or firewall settings and your organization's OAuth policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.